Hi, my name is Charles Hu, and the topic I'd like to talk about today is inclusive design, and it's something that I'm really passionate about. Inclusive design is basically a methodology and philosophy that emphasizes diversity and inclusion to help us make great products for the greatest amount of people. Specifically, it views disabilities and diversity as an asset rather than an obstacle when making products. For example, the typewriter was actually invented by Pellegrino Turri to help his wife, who was becoming blind, write more effectively. And email was invented by Vint Cerf to help his wife, who was deaf, communicate more effectively as well. And also, let's face it, like as designers, we tend to draw from our own experiences when making products. And so I know, I'm a healthy 27-year-old male living in San Francisco. I'm extremely privileged, and I know products that work for me, they're gonna be easy to use for some people, but really difficult for everybody else. And so I was able to incorporate this type of thinking in my current project at Microsoft called Staff Hub, which is a web and mobile app for shift management. So I'm responsible for a visual framework and pattern library. And so what I did was I made sure that all of our existing things complied with the W3C accessibility guidelines. So for example, I looked at our color palette and I updated all of our grays to make sure that they hit the color contrast minimum requirements. I implemented dynamic font resizing to make sure that our fonts were legible across multiple screen sizes. And I also updated our text strings to make sure that they were more descriptive so that people using screen readers could hear our interface more effectively. Finally, I believe empathy is a unique asset that design has that product management or engineering might not emphasize, and so I believe it is part of our moral responsibility to be empathetic and to bring inclusive design into the conversation when we talk about making great products. Thank you.